So today's topic is action at points or corona discharge. This is due to electrostatic discharge. So we will see what is corona discharges. Corona discharge happens when a conductor is forced to carry more electrons than it can accommodate. In these instances, the electrons jump to the air where they flow to any neutralizing charge that they may find. So once again I repeat, corona discharge happens when a conductor is forced to carry more electrons than it can accommodate. In these instances, the electrons jump to the air. Where they flow to any neutralizing charge that they may find. Okay. Now, near the conductors, the electrons have sufficient energies to ionize the air and force it to glow, or in other words, produce a corona. So near the conductors, the electrons have sufficient energies to ionize the air and force it to glow, or in other words, produce a corona. That means we consider two material. Here we are applying high voltage supply, same voltage is applied here also. But if you see the sharp tip, the area here is very less. So the number of electrons accommodated by this point is very difficult. So it will try to discharge in the space. And that discharge is called as corona discharge if it is pointed. If you see for the same case, here the leakage is very high. That means it tries to discharge or ionize the surrounding gases, that usually it is the air only. Now if you have, instead of a sharp tip, you have a round tip, the number of electrons accommodated by this round tip is high. So there is a low leakage only for this case. The same voltage, everything, but the tip is not pointed. Okay. So if it is pointed, this area or this volume is not able to accommodate that electron density. So it has to leakage through the air. So how it leakages? It will ionize the air and force it to glow. Glow means you can see the light, the blue, violet mixed with that kind of glow with heat, because it is ionizing and also it gives out light as well as heat. So that is called corona. So this type of discharge is called corona. Here also we have discharge, but we call it as a leakage because it is very less. Now this is another case. Now you have a shape, a conductor like this. Now all are emitting radiations, discharging at all the points. But if you see at this point, this region, this volume or this area is very less. So the number of electrons or protons or positive charge is higher. So the discharge at this point will be very high compared to the other points. So here corona discharge is likely to happen. Since this is positive charge, when it sees a minus charge, it will try to attract. Or when it sees positive charge, it will try to repel. So the positive ions are repelled at the sharp edge. So this is positive sharp edge. So this will try to repel if it sees a positive ions. And negative ions are attracted toward the sharper edge. If it is going to be negative, it tries to attract at this point. So this type of discharge is called corona discharge. In all other cases, since the area, surface area, these points are very high, big, so it can accommodate more number of positive charge. Therefore, we call only as a leakage and not the discharge. So in corona discharge, we can see in the form of glow. That means you can see the light as well as heat, and it will be in the form of arc. So it will be in the form of blue kind of arc. So that's all about corona discharge, or we can call it with a common term as action at points. So this is due to electrostatic discharge into the free space. What happens if you see the locomotive and all? So the locomotive is here, it runs on the rails, and you have a 25 kV line. Okay. Now the pantograph usually will be touching here. This is pantograph. So from this overhead line, this 25 kV comes to the locomotive. So whenever it is touching, no problem, there is no air gap. When it slightly, if it don't touches the line for a fraction of a second, then there is an air gap. So this is at lower potential and this is at a higher potential. Then there is a big discharge. So we can call it as corona discharge, and it will ionize the air to produce light and heat. So this is one kind of example for corona discharge. Hope you have understood the topic action at points or corona discharge. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Nandri.